in the studio inside the Bird House where we've been cooped up. Haven't really been out much, but today we had a really productive day. A random sort of thing happened between two tracks that we were working pretty hard on. And I came in and Simon was hunting around on keyboard sounds and like, how did you even get those sounds?
We kind of actually had like an older idea. I was like, oh, it's not really suitable. Maybe we should like try and just write something new. And it just sort of seemed to come together. You know when things just come together so quick.
That was one of those times. And then randomly before we even, like we just got into a groove and he had a really clear groove idea, which I dug. It's like a really weird, crooked sort of groove idea that comes from an MPC beat idea. And he was like, man, can you play this live? And I've been playing a lot of that stuff too. So all these elements just went, and then film crew walked through the door. A really good friend Moniki, who's been filming us, had an awesome idea for a film clip. And we're like, okay, maybe this track's going to be the one. And like 2 hours we filmed and...
Yeah, 2 or 3 hours.
And that was done. In the bag.
Oh, nice.
Track.